Jeff Nash reporting in. This is a very special motorcycle to me, a 2015 1199 Panigale R. This is my own personal bike. Perfect condition. A lot of extras on this motorcycle. The Brembo RCS brake master cylinder, bike sport development, 2-button kill switch assembly, Ducati Performance rear sets, the motor holder rear subframe, quick change rear sprocket setup, the full Aprokovich exhaust along with the titanium mufflers. It comes with a spare fuel tank that's on the bike obviously, and Ducati Performance track bodywork. Everything from the motorcycle, including all the original bodywork and gas tank, subframe, headlight, all that stuff has never seen the light of day and will be included in the sale of the motorcycle. The bike has been meticulously maintained by the AMS service crew and has a total of 1,214 miles on the clock. I've loved riding this motorcycle. It's set up perfectly as an absolute pleasure to ride, and it still has a remaining factory warranty on there in addition to being in perfect condition.